a girl can be from a car mechanic to an engineer to whatever, you know. So I think if your drive is there, then you can find a way to get there, you know, and that's not really necessarily bound to gender. Only has to do with the pre-assumptions that we make, of course, you know. So again, like, I think the cool thing about combining fashion and technology is it gets a lot of girls interested, because a lot of girls are interested in the fashion angle, and they would love to wear a dress that has mechanic flowers or whatever that can be, sort of, you know. So that gives an extra drive sometimes for me to get girls into these fields, because they see things that are different than the robots and the cars and the drones. They see something that they actually would like to wear or like to create themselves, you know. So that's kind of a good way to convince girls to do something around the body, even if it's making something move or having something connect to your heartbeat. There's fairly easy projects that you can do in order to have just a sense of what it means to code, what does it mean to solder a piece of electronics, or to 3D print or laser cuts and all of that stuff.